Hey car fans, welcome back to the Pony Piston channel. Today I've got something really exciting to share with you. The upcoming Milltek Mini Cooper F66 and its new install features. If you're into compact cars with style, power, and a touch of fun, this one's going to get your heart racing. But before we dive into all the details, let's take a quick look back. The original 1963 Mini Cooper was tiny, sporty, and revolutionary for its time. It had that classic charm, minimalistic design, and a raw driving feel that made it a legend on city streets and racetracks alike. Compared to today's F66, the 1963 model feels almost like a go-kart, super compact, lightweight, and purely focused on driving fun. The F66 keeps that spirit alive but adds modern touches, hybrid efficiency, tech upgrades, and more comfort. It's like taking the soul of the 1963 classic and giving it a futuristic high-tech makeover. So, starting with the look, the Mini Cooper has always had that unique personality, right? Small, sporty, and unmistakably mini. But the F66 takes it up a notch. You're getting sharper lines, a slightly wider stance, and just enough aggressive detailing to make it look like it means business. The front grille has been redesigned to look more modern, and the headlights now have this crisp, energetic feel, kind of like it's ready to sprint at any moment. And don't even get me started on the rear. Those subtle curves give it a really playful yet sporty vibe that makes the whole car feel compact but confident. Under the hood, this one's really interesting. The hybrid engine gives you the best of both worlds. You get the classic Mini Cooper punch, that zippy acceleration we all love, combined with a hybrid setup that's smoother, more efficient, and surprisingly fun. Whether you're zipping around the city streets or taking a weekend drive out of town, it feels lively, responsive, and, let's be honest, just plain exciting. And for anyone who's been following Mini, you'll notice that this is a step up from the older models which were already fun to drive. The hybrid tech just makes it more modern, more refined, and a little friendlier for your wallet at the pump. Now here's where it gets even more exciting. Milltek has been working on some install features that are designed to give you more flexibility, more style, and a little more thrill. You can tweak the exhaust for that perfect sound without going overboard. They've also made it easier to integrate performance upgrades. So if you're into customizing your car, this is definitely something to get excited about. It's the kind of setup that makes the Mini feel more like your own personal playground, rather than just a small car. On the inside, the updates are subtle but really effective. The F66 comes with a refreshed interior layout that feels modern but still keeps that classic Mini charm. Seats are supportive and comfortable, the dashboard is clean and user-friendly, and the infotainment system is now more intuitive. It's got the tech we expect in a modern car, without feeling overwhelming or losing that fun, driver-focused vibe. And honestly, that balance is something Mini always nails better than most. Pricing is looking competitive. While it's on the higher end for a compact car, you're paying for something unique. Hybrid efficiency, advanced features, and of course that unmistakable Mini personality. It's a car that doesn't just get you from point A to point B. It makes the journey fun, stylish, and a little addictive. Comparing it to past models, especially the original 1963 Mini, the F66 feels like a proper evolution. It keeps everything we love about the Mini: compact size, playful handling, and that iconic look. But it adds a modern twist with hybrid efficiency, updated tech, and more customization options. Old Minis were always a joy to drive, but this one just feels sharper, cleaner, and ready for a new generation of drivers. And finally, the off-road-ish features might surprise some people. While the Mini Cooper S isn't a full-blown off-roader, the F66 has improved suspension and handling tweaks that make it much more versatile. You can tackle uneven roads, small inclines, or rougher city streets with confidence. It's not about conquering mountains, but it gives you a feeling of control and stability that makes every drive a little more adventurous. So, if you're someone who loves style, performance, and a little bit of tech-savvy fun, the Milltek Mini Cooper SF66 is shaping up to be a real game-changer. Compact, efficient, customizable, and still unmistakably Mini. It's the kind of car that makes you smile every time you drive it. All right, that's it for today's breakdown. What do you think about the new F66? Are you excited about the hybrid setup? Or are you more into the customization and install features? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I want to know what you'd do first if this Mini was in your garage. And, of course, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming car reviews, updates, and exclusive sneak peeks. Trust me, there's a lot more excitement coming your way.